want to know this actually.
So I recall it was in an expat group, and I think I put a call for help out in that group and started communication with you. And I'm gonna go ahead and say this. This might be another question, but I appreciated like the door-to-door service. That was something that really made this easy.
Visa and also your residency in Mexico, phase 1, phase 2, coming to Mexico and getting your residency and everything. How would you describe that?
I would describe it like my first day in kindergarten. It's like when you have the teachers sort of escort you around to different like little stations. This is the coloring station. This is where you get water. This is where you get the little coloring books. I describe it as like you were literally holding my hand the whole way through the process. So my level of comfort was through the roof.
To Mexico and doing the other process, the Canadian process here.
So I would say it's invaluable. So I can't really put a dollar sign on it because when you go to some of these offices, it can be very intimidating. Sometimes they don't speak English. Sometimes the person might not be in a great mood. But you sort of have to make your way through that.